If you're looking for an easy way to handle global tax reporting, Deel can be a game changer for your business. Today, I'm going to show you how to use Deel for global tax reporting and walk you through some of its most useful features that can simplify this process for you. First things first, Deel is a platform designed to help companies manage remote workers across the globe. Whether you're hiring contractors or full-time employees, Deel allows you to handle contracts, payments, and taxes in a way that's streamlined and efficient. The great thing about Deel is that it automates a lot of the complex tasks that come with global tax reporting, helping you stay compliant no matter where your employees are based. When it comes to global tax reporting, Deel takes care of several key components. One of the most important features is its ability to generate tax forms for employees in different countries. Deel automatically generates the necessary documents for tax purposes, whether it's a W-8 BEN, W-9, or other relevant tax form, depending on the country of the employee. This can save you hours of work and avoid the confusion that often comes with international tax laws. Another key aspect of Deel is its global payroll integration. Deel enables you to pay employees in over 120 currencies, ensuring that you're compliant with local tax requirements wherever your workers are located. When you pay an employee, Deel takes into account the specific tax regulations of that country, so you don't have to worry about making mistakes. It's all automated, making global tax reporting much easier. For tax reporting specifically, Deel also allows you to track deductions and benefits automatically. If your employee is entitled to certain benefits, Deel will calculate and deduct the right amount according to local laws. This ensures that your tax reports are accurate and that you're not missing anything, which is essential for staying compliant. Deel also integrates with other tools like QuickBooks, Xero, and Gusto, making it easier for you to sync financial data and keep your tax records up to date. This integration helps you get a complete view of your financials and streamlines tax reporting even further. And if you're working with multiple currencies, Deel can convert those into your local currency for tax reporting, simplifying everything. One thing you'll love about Deel is the real-time updates. You'll always know where your taxes stand because Deel gives you up-to-date tax information, ensuring you're never caught off guard by sudden changes in tax regulations. The platform is designed to keep you in the loop on any changes that could affect your global tax reporting, which is a huge time saver. Another feature worth mentioning is Deel's compliance dashboard. This dashboard allows you to monitor all of your employees' tax forms and ensure that they're filled out correctly. It will notify you of any missing or incomplete forms, making sure you're always on top of your tax requirements. If you're looking for a simpler way to handle global tax reporting, Deel could be the tool you've been waiting for. And the best part? You can try it completely free right now, thanks to an exclusive offer I've linked in the description below. I'll also give you access to an extended free trial with additional bonuses, so you can really get a feel for how Deel can simplify your global tax reporting. So, if you're tired of handling taxes manually and want to streamline the entire process, Deel's automation and integrations will be a lifesaver. Get started today and make your global tax reporting as easy as possible.